Hey guys, today we're going to make this mini puzzle box. It's very simple to do. Let me just disassemble this prize box. It's almost there. So, you will need one of these 8 pieces, the 2x4s, because there's 2 up here and then 4 on each side. So you need a 2x4. You need 3 of these little tiny pieces. And so now you need 2 of these smooth pieces, the smooth 1x2. And the last part you will need is the prize. I have here the $100 bill, though it's the same as the 2x3 flat. It just has a $100 bill. If you didn't get all that, here are the pieces you will need. So to make it, take this piece, the 8. Take one of your 2 pieces and put it at the end, the bottom end. If you put it this way, hold it this way. If you put it this way, and then take one of these pieces, put it on. If you put it on the left side like this, so it makes it L. And then take this piece. See where these 2 aren't together? Put this piece right here, like that. Then put your prize or cash, or whatever you have, in this little space right here between. And then you have 2 more spaces right here. And you take one of these, your flat ones, and place one of them there. And then it's kind of obvious you put your other one here. And then to do it, just move the white one up, or whatever color you have, and then the other one over, and it reveals the $100 bill. Please like and subscribe to this video, and comment below what you want me to do next. Bye!